Hi everyone, just thought I'd give you a quick update on the old hair transplant. It's been 3 months to almost to the day since I've had it done now. Everything's going absolutely fine. Starting to get those nice comments from my friends and family saying that, oh my God, your hair's amazing, especially the ones that I don't see so often. Obviously we're in lockdown again now, so yeah, it's really nice to hear when I see somebody new. Also, you hadn't seen some for a while, and they go, "Oh my God, your hair's amazing!" So, really positive to see. So, as you can see, like the front bits are starting to fill out a bit now. It's getting quite dark on top. The bald spot, the crown, is filling out a bit. It's still looking quite thin. I'm currently going through the laser treatments as we speak. However, that's been kind of broken since I actually had the procedure done, because we've on the second lockdown since that's been done. So where I would have had it every week, and then obviously moving monthly, that's been interrupted a couple of times due to the various lockdowns of various things. So now that's shortened back open again, I'll be able to continue that laser therapy and really see the difference and really thicken the hair up. Just talking of things I've been doing to complement the transplants. So the first thing is the PRP therapy. I have just completed my third treatment with Dr. Beamer, who's actually offices directly above Sean. So that's where they take your blood, spin it in a centrifuge really fast, and then take the platelet-rich plasma out of your blood and inject it directly into your head. Not going to lie, it's pretty painful, but Dr. Beamer's really nice, and she kind of talks you through it. And keeps you talking throughout the procedure as well, so kind of distracts you a little bit. But on the whole, I've really seen a real increase in the kind of baby hairs that have started to grow. So as I said, that complemented with the laser therapy to thicken those up, that'll be really interesting to see. So as I said, at month 3 at the minute, we've got a full year to go till we see the full results. But I reckon between months 4 to 6, that's when you're really going to start seeing it thicken up, and hopefully we don't have any more lockdowns, and I can continue with the laser therapy as well, which would be really beneficial. I was going to put a video or a picture just in the corner there of the before and after. So the picture on top is the before picture, and that was taken about a week or two before my transplant. And then the other one was taken literally a couple of weeks ago. So I'm sure you'll all agree that the difference is amazing, especially to the front of my head, which is where I was really noticing the baldness. And there's pretty much nothing here, and it was very thin at the top, and I was literally almost at the point of no return, I felt. But like I said, I got in there with Sean, and again, all the kind of work that we've been doing to get my hair, it's a massive improvement. I'm so glad I decided to go ahead with the procedure. And just one final thing is I'm also taking Regain or minoxidil. I've been doing that since month 1 after the procedure, and again I've really noticed that applying that in the morning and in the evening, that there's literally no hairs when I get out of the bath or the shower or whatever, whereas before I'd had loads of hairs in there. So I've really noticed that that's keeping a lot of the hair that I was probably losing naturally, and again I've noticed that the sides and the back is really thickening up. So again, what I would say, guys, is that if you are losing your hair, thinning, or whatever it may be, do take those preventative actions and courses. So go speak to a hair expert such as Sean Baruch, or do your research online. But one of the main things I would say is that if you can, nip it in the bud early and strike fast. As soon as you start seeing that kind of receding hairline or thinning, start taking the minoxidil. Do your research, obviously, and don't go in feet first, but it's really one of those things that's really beneficial to me. I'm a bit of an expert now, or I say expert. I tend to know quite a bit. So again, that's my month 3 update. So I'll probably do another one in another month or so. So 4 months, and then 6 months, and then hopefully in a year's time I'll be talking to you with long flowing locks. Okay, stay safe, guys. Thanks. Bye.